everyone, welcome to Cook with Shamila. I'm going to show you how to make a chicken curry with potatoes. We need 500 grams of chicken, 200 grams of potatoes, 3 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 thick coconut milk cups, chili powder, curry powder, pepper, little bit of saffron, 3 green chilies, bay leaf which we call Rampa, curry leaves, cinnamon, salt, vinegar and oil. You can check this recipe by clicking the description below. Let's add the oil first and let it heat for 1.5 minutes. Let's add curry leaves, bay leaves, cinnamon, 3 cloves, garlic and stir it a little bit. Add the onions and let it be golden brown. When this becomes golden brown, let's add the chilies. If not, the chilies will get discolored. Then the chicken and the potatoes. Let's add 2 tablespoons chili powder, one and a half tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a pinch of salt, a pinch of saffron, and half a cup of water. We need to close this for 5 minutes and let it boil. Let's add the vinegar and leave it to boil. We need to stir the chicken and the potatoes and close it once again. Now let's add the coconut milk. Need to stir it well so that everything will mix well. And we'll close it once again for about 10 to 15 minutes. Until it's cooked. Let's check the chicken now. We need to taste it and see whether the salt and vinegar is in right order. Wow, it's nice. Let's cook it for some time. Let's check the chicken curry now. Now our Our chicken curry is ready to serve. What I want you to do is now, just try my recipe and see, and give me the comments. I would love to hear from you. Stay blessed until we meet in a new episode. Bye bye.